Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we share about social media tips. In today's video, I will share with you about how to make your Facebook private. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's jump into our video. Open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the hamburger menu 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings Privacy, then select Settings. Under Tools and Resources, tap Privacy Checkup. This provides a quick overview of your current privacy settings. You will have 5 privacy settings. But for this video, we will focus on 2 privacy settings: who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. Who can see what you share? Tap Who can see what you share here. You can control the audience for your profile information, future posts, and blocking. Tap the Continue button and you will see all of your personal information like email, birthday, hometown, relationship, etc. Let us take one typical example. In my case, my email privacy is set to only me. To make my friends see my email, tap the arrow down next to Only Me and select Friends from the available list. In this way, you can change your personal information privacy. When you are done, tap on the Next button. The next setting is about your future posts and stories. The first one is about your future post. You can select your default audience for your future post, that is, who will see your post. Tap on the down arrow button and select from the available options. The second option is who can see your story. Again, you can select your audience as you did before. When you are done, tap on the Next button. The last setting we have here is the blocking feature. If you want to block someone and not to see your activities on Facebook, tap the Add to Block List option. On the top search option, type the name Tap Block and again tap Block. When you are done, tap on the next option and you are done with this privacy setting. How people can find you. Return to Privacy Settings and tap How people can find you on Facebook. Here, you can control who can send you friend requests. Here there are only 2 options: everyone and friends of friends. When you are done, tap the Next button. If someone has your phone or email address, you can choose to be suggested or not by tapping the down arrow button. When you finish, tap the Next button. The last setting is to choose if search engines like Google will link to your profile. You can do it by turning it on or off. If you turn it on, your profile may appear on Google. Lastly, review each setting and adjust it to your comfort level. For a more private profile, choose friends or only me for most options. Thank you for watching my channel on social media tips. If you want to change your Facebook name, check this video on the screen. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, click on the thumbs up like button.